Welcome to Science Sphere. Have you ever wondered how galaxies form and why some of them have such strange shapes? Today, we're diving deep into one of the universe's most fascinating mysteries. Galaxies are the colossal building blocks of the universe, home to stars, planets, and dark matter, but their origins and structures have puzzled scientists for decades. Galaxies begin forming in the aftermath of the Big Bang, over 13 billion years ago. In the early universe, hydrogen and helium gases clumped together under the force of gravity. These clouds of gas slowly condensed, giving birth to the first stars, which began to group together, forming proto-galaxies. As these structures grew, they started merging and interacting with one another, creating the vast galaxies we see today. Over billions of years, galaxies absorbed more material and stars, growing into various shapes and sizes. One of the most captivating aspects of galaxies is their diverse appearances. Some galaxies, like our own Milky Way, are spiral-shaped with beautiful, sweeping arms that rotate around a dense core. These arms are formed by gravity pulling stars and gas into patterns, and the central bulge is filled with older stars. Elliptical galaxies, on the other hand, are more spherical or oval and lack the distinct spiral arms. They're thought to be the result of massive galaxy mergers, which disrupt any ordered structure. Then, there are irregular galaxies. These galaxies defy neat classifications. They can have chaotic shapes, twisted and warped by gravitational interactions with other galaxies. Collisions between galaxies are one of the primary reasons for these odd shapes. When galaxies collide, their stars and gas clouds are flung into new orbits, creating strange, distorted forms. The gravity from nearby galaxies can stretch and pull their neighbors into bizarre shapes, leading to phenomena like tidal tails or galactic rings. The shapes of galaxies aren't static either. A galaxy that starts out as a spiral can eventually evolve into an elliptical one, especially if it undergoes collisions or absorbs smaller galaxies over time. This constant dynamic movement and interaction make galaxies one of the universe's most mesmerizing features. But why do some galaxies remain structured while others turn chaotic? Much of it comes down to their history and environment. Galaxies that exist in clusters are more likely to experience collisions, giving them irregular shapes. Meanwhile, isolated galaxies can maintain their spiral forms for longer, as they're less likely to encounter disruptive forces. As we continue to study the universe, our understanding of galaxies grows, but many mysteries remain. Why do some galaxies form perfect spirals while others look so disordered? How do supermassive black holes at the center of galaxies influence their shape and evolution? These questions keep scientists captivated as they explore the cosmos. Stay tuned to Science Sphere for more information.